Every day, countless garage doors in the Thirroul area experience the common yet disruptive issue of broken springs. With a limited lifespan, these springs endure tremendous stress and eventually snap, making your garage door unexpectedly heavy and challenging to lift. This not only poses an inconvenience, but can also be a safety hazard. Don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. If you're struggling with a difficult-to-lift garage door, it's time to call in the experts. Contact our qualified professionals at 0409774111. We specialize in prompt, reliable garage door repairs to ensure your day runs smoothly. Call now and secure the functionality and safety of your garage door.